To add your social media, it's really simple. Go to the settings and click on social media. You'll find a long list of different social media platforms where you just need to paste the URL of your profiles. You can choose whether you prefer to display your social media icons in your header or in your footer. Otherwise, if you prefer, you can also add a block to display your social media wherever you like. To do this, go to Content, then Social Media, and choose the template you want by clicking on it. Hover your mouse over the element you want to modify to access the settings. And then customize your block however you want. Download the QR code for your site, go to Settings, top right, find the QR code icon, click on it and download it. You have an icon with a QR code. You click on it and download it. It's handy for easily and quickly sharing your website. It allows direct access to your site by scanning it. You can share it everywhere, in the form of stickers, on your social media, etc. To manage your general settings, it's still in Settings, at the very top. You can configure it there. The email address linked to your site, the method of sending your emails, the language of your site, and other more specific settings. Make sure to change the favicon of your site. It's the small computer icon that symbolizes it. It allows your users to see your icon directly in their search bar. The favicon can be your site's logo or a simplified version, for example. You can also add a search bar to your site if needed. Protect your images and even add a visitor counter to your footer.